And this has been a journey for me, I will tell you. Understanding what it means to be engaged in, to be a part of, and to also lead in organizations, transformation, where you have to consider so many dynamic elements that really you can only make sense of a little bit of it at a time. And with the transformational change, we deal with people, we deal with process, we deal with system. This is a shift in the business culture. You know, the reality of it is, while we would like to think we readily embrace change, change is scary. And large unknown change can be paralyzing. And that's where transformational change kicks in. Transformational change is about that shift in business culture of an organization, resulting in a change either in that underlying strategy, the processes of the organization, and when you come out on the other end, it's something very, very new.